Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we will talk about how to change Google Chrome language. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you 15 useful software you don't know exists. So let's get started. To change the Google Chrome language, just open the Chrome app, tap the three dots at the top right. Now settings. From settings, just scroll down till you see languages. Here, choose the device language, then the preferred languages. Websites will show text in your preferred languages when possible. You can reorder the preferred languages by typing and holding one language and dragging it to the top, like this. That's it pretty much. For the 15 useful softwares you don't know exist, just click the link at the top of this video.